Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the Gmail symbol on your laptop. This could be a desktop icon, a pinned taskbar item, or found via your app launcher. If you don't see it, use the Windows key or Mac Spotlight and type Gmail, then press Enter. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before proceeding, because Gmail's interface and labels depend on your account settings. Once done, the inbox will load, and you'll be ready to interact with messages and labels. Next, choose the account you want, or click Sign In and enter your email and password. You're telling Gmail which profile to open. If prompted, enable two-step verification to protect your mail. Use the Authenticator app or SMS code, because security matters. Once authenticated, Gmail opens in a browser tab. Make sure you allow time for labels, inbox categories, and threads to sync. As they populate, you can sort, search, or compose. This is where you start organizing messages. Finish by creating quick access. Right-click the Gmail icon to pin it to your taskbar, add a desktop shortcut, or choose Open in New Window so composing feels app-like. If Gmail won't load, clear browser cache or open an incognito window. This removes stale cookies or blocked scripts. Make sure your network is stable, and temporarily disable browser extensions if pages fail to render, since ad blockers can interfere. If problems persist, sign out and back in. This refreshes permissions and session state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.